Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant. Cuban oregano is the best choice for adding more green to your kitchen garden. These green leaves have a strong aroma and better taste. Its dried leaves can be stored in an airtight jar for use later. Its oil helps to repel mosquitoes. Cuban oregano is easy to grow, low maintenance, and perennial herb that can survive on minimal watering. At home, it should be grown in small containers, bags, or plastic pots of 3 to 4 inches in size rather than in ground or empty spaces because it propagates very easily. A stem of around 4 to 6 inches with 5 to 6 nodes is enough for propagation. Once the roots develop, transplant them into a large container of at least 6 to 8 inches in depth and width. Keep the plant in the shade or under other plants for the first few days. Afterward, shift it permanently in full sunlight. Rarely, the plant produces beautiful pinkish purple flowers. Cuban oregano grows around 2 to 4 feet in height. Use organically rich potting mix for planting. Keep the soil well drained. Water the plant when the soil dries up completely. The plant grows well in at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight from morning to noon. The plant needs nitrogen-rich fertilizers such as decomposed cow or chicken manure after 10 to 15 days. Spray the plant with organic pesticide fortnightly to avoid pest attack or disease. Thanks for watching.